Driving in our Turo in Las Vegas. It's kind of fun, you guys. I'll show you the outside. Wow. See, this always happens with me. Alright, Dave does have to feel the car out though, right?
Yeah, I gotta get used to it.
Yay!
Oh, that's real good. On this car, the pink car, you just walk up to it, it unlocks, mirrors unfold. Also, you have your little button right underneath here. Just so long as you have the keys on you, wow, it's hot. Right there's the button to release the trunk. And it's pretty ample space for a car that's not tiny. I mean, I've driven smaller cars. Very hot though here in Vegas.
Alright, you want to check out the convertible? Haha, sweet. Are we driving with the top up or down?
I'll be putting it up, but go ahead and hop on in, lady.
Show you the inside of the car. It's got brown leather.
Very nice seats.
Very nice. And it sounds really good, you guys.
So you got your sport mode, your comfort mode, your economy mode. You got your auto hold. So like for instance, if you go to the fast food drive-in places, you'll push that on, and then you'll hold your foot on the brake till the light turns green, and then it'll actually be a brake, and it releases when you hit on the gas. This is your convertible top. You push down for it to go down, and then pull it backward. This is all your media functions for your navigation and whatnot. And I don't know what this is set on. I think it's on regular. And then here's sport mode. I don't know if you can hear it. It's a little throatier, a little faster.
I like it.
It tightens up the suspension, the steering, and the braking.
How's it drive?
I love this car. I want one myself. One day.
We always say that every time we rent a Turo. So if you guys are interested in this car, I will put the link in the description below. Charlie is a super host.
Really good.
So nice.
If you ever use Turo, be sure to do your due diligence and make sure that you rent from a super host. Somebody's done a lot of rentals. Because we've had some that, like, they literally taped the hubcap onto the wheel and it flew off while we were driving at a light. Somebody came and picked it up and knocked on our window, scared the hell out of me. But yeah, just make sure that they got good reviews and do your best to keep their car in good care. Fill it up, fill out all the information that you need properly, because otherwise you're going to have an issue and that'll suck.
All right.
But hey, Turo, Charles, X4 BMW convertible, awesome car.
It's so hot, you guys, that
I'm going to put that top back up.
put that top back up.
And there
Look
you
how
go.
fast.
You just hold on to it. It takes about, I don't know, 5-6 seconds.
Done.
Done. And that's it.
We love this car, you guys.
Drive safe and have a wonderful day.
Bye for now, guys.
Typical stuff. Oops. Yeah, people walking behind your car while you're driving. That's the reason why you have that.
So yeah, this car's amazing. It is. I'd have the top down, but you guys, it's too hot.
It is way too hot. We're in Vegas, and yeah, it's probably great during a more of a winter time or close to the winter time.
I would show you the horse, but Dave was going too fast.
Oh, sorry. Too many horses under the hood.
And if you're into food and travel, make sure to subscribe. If you're not already subscribed, we'd appreciate it.
We do everything involved with traveling, whether it's renting hotels, cars, eating out.
And try to find the best way for you, right?
We splurge sometimes, but most of the time we're trying to do it on a budget.
Nice. Not only does the mirrors pull out, but when you're going backwards, it points to the ground. And it goes back up.